reindeer,
I'm so freaking stoked.
a moose, some baby
llama.
reindeer, alpacas. It's gonna be a good time.
All males, females, and babies go in. They're already starting.
Hey guys. That's a big one. Hey bud. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Alaska and we're at the reindeer farm. We got all these little guys and we're hanging out with some new friends here. Very friendly. This is the big boy right here, but we're gonna be doing some travels around the valley, showing you some cool things you can do while you're here. A little baby caribou. Oh, and Courtney's here, just having the time of her life. He said you can't leave. Block the exit. Clifford, you gotta let us go by. I don't have any food. This is Rocky the moose. He's a 2-year-old male that was rescued as a young calf. He was found abandoned in a gravel pit and brought here to the reindeer farm to be taken care of.
So to kiss Rocky, just stick some leaves in your mouth and then Rocky will smooch it out of your lips.
No.
Once they know you guys have food, they're all gonna come grab you at the gate. Just make sure not to feed them until you're all the way in there. That way there's not a big...
Are you ready for this?
What is it?
That's so cool. All right, so we are leaving the reindeer farm. We are heading up the Glen Highway to go whitewater rafting next. Super stoked for that. This reindeer farm is like real cool. I've never been here before, and just being able to like pet the reindeer and then come up to you, and then they have moose and elk. Really cool experience. So definitely check it out if you come out to the valley. So we had to leave the reindeer farm kind of in a hurry. We're driving up about an hour and 20 minutes north of Palmer to Hicks Creek to meet up with the Nova Raft Company. We have a 2 o'clock whitewater rafting on the Matsu. All right, so we just made it to Nova Rafting and we are gonna get our gear on. We got a 2-hour float down the Matsu and the water levels I've been told today are very good. So looking forward to that, and the sunshine's here. And here's the legend right here, Travis. Went to high school with this guy. He's gonna be our tour guide today.
You're welcome.
Get suited up. All right, Courtney, you ready for your second rafting trip?
Look how cool my outfit is.
That's pretty cool. Waterproof?
No pockets though.
No pockets. That's fine. All right, let's get you a helmet now for safety.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Around, there's one. Looks like that bad boy. Ow! Let's see the rock star test. Roll around. Come on.
There you go. Ready for rock climbing and rafting. All right, let's go. Hey, Adam.
Hey, how's it going?
It's going, man.
Back. All right, y'all. So once you get your suit all zipped up, we're gonna release all the air. So open up your neck gaskets for me, and we're gonna squat on down. Get to know yourself real well. Close it up, and then stand back up. Shrink wrap yourself in there. And deep breath in.
Thank you.
You ready for this?
All right, pile on in, guys.
We made it. How was it?
So much fun. The blast. What happened?
We got locked out, so I'm using a paddle. And I'm borrowing some of this line here. I'm gonna unlock the car, hopefully. Your fingers crossed. So we got the car unlocked, but we're all done here with the whitewater rafting for the day, and it's starting to rain, which is just awesome for us because we got to have the day out in the water. But we're gonna head back to the house. Hope you guys enjoyed today's videos, and again, we'll see you in the next adventure. If you haven't already subscribed, do it. We need that stuff. Thanks for your help. Bye.